I think today it's quite a good satisfaction because I have started this session after 15 days and some of you have just joined second or third days. It is very nice to see you all. The third session, I think the third session will start with the Farhat. Farhat Khan will lead. Farhat, can you listen to me? Farhat, Farhat, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
So Farhat, last time, I have given you some homework to everyone. So I think you can do better. You try to make an omelette. Try to make an omelette and produce, serve to us. Listen to everybody. How small things, the details that we can provide, the using verb first form. कि हम जब ऑमलेट बनाते हैं, चाय बनाते हैं, तो क्या करते हैं? आप जब संजीव कपूर का देखते हो ना, चाहे किसी न किसी इंग्लिश कुकिंग का जो शो देखते हो ना, तो क्या बोलते हैं? टेक अ पैन, पोर वाटर, यही बोलते हैं ना? तो आपको सर चीजें सीखनी है. टर्न ऑन द गैस, ओके, लेट द वाटर बॉयल, देन लेट इट अपसाइड डाउन. ये सारी चीज सीखनी है. देखिए फरहत अच्छा बताएंगे. फरहत, नाउ स्पीक अबाउट हाउ टू make an omelette and serve it. Listen to it
How
because
to
I will ask everyone.
सर
Correct.
आपने ऑमलेट का नहीं बोले थे.
अच्छा तो ठीक है, कुछ भी कोई
चलो मैं
बनाइए.
ट्राई कर. हाउ
अरे
टू
ट्राई
मेक
कीजिए,
ऑमलेट.
ट्राई कीजिए, ठीक है.
इंग्लिश में ऑमलेट बनाना भी बहुत हार्ड लगता है.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, आज हम सीखेंगे ना.
चलो. हाँ, हाउ टू
अच्छा
मेक ऑमलेट.
अच्छा, मैं
मेकिंग
आपको
एन ऑमलेट इज.
बिफोर दैट आई विल प्रोवाइड यू वन हिंट, ठीक है ना. मैं एक हिंट देता हूँ सबको. Look, when I go to the kitchen, suppose if I have to make an omelette, I have to go to the kitchen first. I go to the kitchen. याद रखो, I go to the kitchen. Then I turn on the gas. Then I keep frying pan, and I put some oil. Okay, oil, sunflower oil, maybe whatever the oil that you use. Then before putting that oil, I take an egg, I break it, I open the egg, and I keep all the ingredients in the bowl. Okay, bowl, and again I take one onion, and I chop it into the pieces. I take also one tomato, I chop it, okay, and I mixed it. I onion, tomato, and that eggs ingredient in a bowl. I stir it, I stir it very well, and then I take it and I put it into the frying pan, and I sprayed it. मैं इसको फैला देती हूँ frying pan में. Then I wait for then I wait for 3 minutes. When it becomes brown, then I take it and I take it upside down. मैंने कि मैं इसको पलट देती हूँ. After some times, okay, the color will be changed and you will feel a different fragrance. The omelette is ready, and you can just take it into the pan or plates, and you can serve to your guest. This is the word. चलिए फरहत, अब आप बताइए.
Making an omelette is not very difficult.
Very good.
Everyone can make it easily.
Very
First
good.
of all, if you want to make omelette, you need to do certain things. First, take an onion and chili and coriander leaf, cut them into a chopped small pieces,
Very
and
good.
crack the egg into the bowl. And in a bowl, and put the onion, chili, coriander leaf, and some salt into the bowl. Now beat the mixture with an eggs beater. Put the frying pan on the gas and pour some oil on it. Wait
Very good.
until the oil becomes hot. When the oil is hot, pour the egg mixture on the fry and flip the over other side. Sir, कैसा बोले थे?
हाँ.
And
Upside
flip
down.
over the other side.
Yeah.
Wait until the downside is well cooked. Then keep the upside down, no?
Very,
And
yeah.
wait for sometimes if it's cooked color change brown. क्या है ना?
Yeah, then it changes the
Then
color. Yeah.
turn off the gas. Your omelette is ready. You can make an omelette for yourself.
Great. I think Farhat, it
सर
was.
ये गड़बड़ हो रही थी. टर्न ऑफ वो वाला फिर से बताओ ना.
देखो
मतलब
जब
एक
हम
साइड
सब सुन,
पक गया है.
जब हम पलटते हैं ना ऑमलेट को, तो आप यू टर्न मतलब होता है पलटना, बट टर्न अपसाइड डाउन, टर्न
जैसे मैंने
अपसाइड.
पहले ऑमलेट फ्राई पैन में डाली तो फिर क्या बोलूंगी कि पक गया तो क्या करना है उसको
when it
पलटने का.
becomes, when it becomes brown, when it changes its colors, okay, when it is well cooked, okay,
Become brown.
then I turn it upside down. Turn upside down. up यानी कि ऊपर का साइड, नीचे मैं कर देती हूँ, इसको पलट देती हूँ. अंडरस्टैंड? अब एक से है
अपसाइड डाउन मतलब पलटना.
हाँ, टर्न, आई टर्न अपसाइड डाउन. ऊपर का जो साइड है नीचे कर देती हूँ, टर्न कर देती हूँ, पलट देती हूँ. डन, सबको समझ में आ गया? और एक समझ, आई टेक एन एग, आई ब्रेक इट, आई ओपन द सेल एंड कीप द इंग्रेडिएंट. देखियो मैंने जब बताया तो मैं नमक डालना भूल गया, कोरिएंडर डालना भूल गया. सो दिस इज बिकॉज फरहत इज अ वेरी गुड कुक, आई थिंक, and really your omelet is very quite tasty. So let me see the other people.
No sir, I am not cook today. I have a cook already.
That's great, but still whenever you cook, no, so it is something
You
different.
teach me first class. You know.
But good, you have really means made very nice. It's still, it's the fragrance you can feel. Chali, so next, who is the next? I would like to ask Karuna. 2 minutes, make an omelette. आपको सीखना है, सबको ट्राई करना है, याद रखो.
First I go to kitchen. Then I take what we can say
बोलिए क्या आप?
pan,
frying pan.
frying pan, and then I take 2 omelette, and then I break it in the bowl, right? And then I chopped onion, coriander, and green chilies. I'll mix it. I mix it in.
In a bowl.
Mix it in a bowl, and I put some salt just to taste. And if you want, you can add other what we can say other
Ingredients.
Ingredients, you can
ingredients.
Ingredients, anything, yeah, you
And
can
then
add
I
flavors.
mix it very well. Then I pour into the pan, right?
Then I
Then
put
I
in and sprayed it. Sprayed any fella
sprayed it. Yes. And then I sprayed it very well. And once the color changed, then I turn into the
turn upside down.
Turn upside down. Then once it cooked well, then I
take it out and keep it on the plate.
Keep it on the plate, and you
And
feel the fragrance
and
of the
I
omelette.
serve it.
Then I serve it.
That's good.
Right?
Now I think you can see the flow is there. Now who is the next? Sujata, can you? Sujata.
Very nice, Karuna.
Karuna बहुत अच्छा बोला.
It's cooked very nice.
You have really cooked very nice, and really it's a good flow. Actually क्या है?
Thank you for that.
एक दूसरे का देखकर हम अच्छा बोलते हैं. When you see other, no, और अपना ही सिर्फ मत सुनिए, आप ट्राई कीजिए दूसरे का भी सुने, पूछिए कि छोटी मोटी बातें हम कितना ध्यान दे रहे हैं. Come on, Sujata.
Listening is very important.
Sir, I have some time for it, please.
अच्छा, you time.
Afterwards.
Okay, वैशाली, ऑमलेट बनाएंगी कुछ और? ऑमलेट या कुछ और?
No sir,
ऑमलेट
only.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो.
Let me see. Don't have any idea how to make an omelette. Now in this English classes, I really learned to cook, how to make omelette.
That's great.
So I tried my best.
Yes, good.
Sir, please, in some time, please cooperate with me.
Of course, I will tell you if you are missing any word. Don't worry. Come on.
Okay. First, I go to the kitchen. Then I turn on the gas. Then I put a pan on the gas.
Yeah.
After that, I take one ball. Then I chops ingredients like onion, tomato, etc.
Coriander
What
with